You are a local business owner, and you work hard to offer the best products and services in town. You're passionate about keeping your customers happy and building lasting, profitable relationships. You're an expert at running your business. Then someone comes in and says, "I heard about you on Yelp, on Google, on Facebook," and the list goes on. That night, you go online and find all these websites that list your business. You stay up late reading customer reviews you never knew existed, and you want to respond to them all, but you've got a business to run. It seems like these websites never end, and you know this is all extremely important. You need someone dedicated to managing your business presence online, an expert at these important social media relationships. You need LavaWire. LavaWire works with you to get to know your business, your language, your customers, and your goals. Whether you want to build relationships with your customers on Facebook and Twitter, or keep track of what people are saying about your business in online reviews, LavaWire manages your social media presence. LavaWire creates profiles for you in the places that matter most, and distributes unique, relevant content around your business to grow, engage, and monetize your fan base. Then do it again the next day, and the next day, and the next. With LavaWire, staying on top of all your social media is simple. LavaWire keeps your business in the forefront of your customer's mind, and all interactions are tracked and monitored and accessible to you at any time, so you know what's working and what's not. The social media experts at LavaWire are dedicated to saving you time and letting you focus on what you are an expert at: running your business and keeping your customers happy. Getting started is quick, simple, and cheap. Contact the experts at LavaWire to get started today. Your customers are talking about you. Start responding. LavaWire.